Standard 7 Geography, Lesson number 5 Winds. Questions and answers. Rewrite the following statements after choosing the correct option. Number 1. When the air expands, it becomes thinner. Number 2. From high pressure regions, winds blow towards regions of low air pressure. Number 3. In the northern hemisphere, winds blowing towards the equator turn to the east due to the rotation of the earth. Number 4. The roaring 40s in the southern hemisphere blow in the areas around 40 degrees south parallel. Number 5. The direction of seasonal winds blowing over the Indian subcontinent during winter is from the northeast to southwest. Identify the types of winds from the description given below. Number 1. These winds from the southwest bring rain to the Indian subcontinent during June to September. India gets rains after this period. These winds retreat. Answer: southwest monsoon winds. Number 2. These winds blowing from the North Pole region towards 60 degree north parallel cause cold wave conditions in extensive areas covering North America, Europe and Russia. Answer: polar winds. Number 3. Hilltops get heated quickly during the day. The air in this part becomes hot, light and starts ascending. Hence, a low pressure area forms in this region. At the same time, the air at the foothills being cooler and that area experiences high pressure. Air in that area blows towards low pressure. Answer: valley winds. State one reason why. Number 1. A belt of calm exists near the equator. Answer: a belt of calm exists near the equator because there is not much difference in the temperature and air pressure. So, winds do not blow in this region. Number 2. The winds coming from the northwest in the southern hemisphere have greater velocities than the winds coming from the southwest in the northern hemisphere. Answer: in the southern hemisphere, obstacle caused by the relief of the land surface is almost absent. Therefore, the winds coming from the northwest in the southern hemisphere have greater velocity than the winds coming from the southwest in the northern hemisphere. Next, the monsoon winds in the summer comes from the sea, but the retreating monsoon winds in winter comes from the land. Answer: monsoon winds are generated due to the uneven heating of land and water in the different seasons. Therefore, the monsoon winds in the summer come from the sea, but the retreating monsoon winds in winter come from the land. Answer in short. Question: why is the air pressure high in the polar regions in both the hemispheres? Answer: air pressure is high in polar areas in both the hemispheres because the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. Question: why do the cyclonic winds blow in a circular manner? Answer: due to rotation of the earth, the cyclonic winds move in a circular manner from the surrounding high pressure to the central low pressure belt. What effect does the rotation of the earth have on the wind? Answer: point number 1. The direction of the winds is influenced by the rotation of the earth. Point number 2. In the northern hemisphere, winds get deflected towards the right of their original directions, whereas in the southern hemisphere they get deflected towards the left of their original direction. Question: State the reasons that led to the formation of cyclones and describe the effects of cyclones. Answer in points. Number 1. Cyclonic conditions are created when a low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure areas. Point number 2. In these conditions, winds start blowing towards low pressure areas from the surrounding high pressure areas. The effect of cyclones are as follows. During a cyclone, the sky is cloudy, winds blow with a very high velocity, and it rains heavily. Complete the following chart. Planetary winds are divided into three: easterlies, westerlies, and polar winds. Seasonal winds are southwest monsoon winds and northeast monsoon winds. Local winds are mountain winds, valley winds, land breeze, sea breeze. This chart is given in your textbook, so according to the chart, please write down the answers.